Before lending a notebook to a friend or family member, you can write a message in it to remind the borrower. First, hover mouse cursor to the search field in the Windows 10 taskbar, then type WordPad. Click on the WordPad text to open the application. Type your message in the WordPad application. Use large fonts to attract attention. Save when finished. Now open File Explorer, go to Documents folder. Right-click your message file, then select Open with. Click Choose another app. Click More Apps, select WordPad on the list that appears, check the Always Use this app to open .rtf file option, and then click OK. Close WordPad application. Finally, still inside the File Explorer, switch to the View tab, and then check the Hidden Items option. The C Program Data folder will be visible. Now move the file containing your message into the C Program Data Microsoft Windows Start menu Programs Startup folder. When you have finished, shut down the notebook. From now on, every time your friend turns on that notebook, the WordPad application containing your message will appear on the Windows 10 desktop. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos.